Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic speed. Firstly, what is the speed? Speed is a term used to describe the rate of motion of a body. We often compare the motion of two or more objects by calling them slow or fast. So speed provides the numerical magnitude to describe the pace of motion and to compare two or more motions. So firstly, speed is defined as the distance traveled by a body per unit time. So definition of speed is distance traveled by a body per unit time. That it means that how much distance is covered by a body in how much time. For example, if a body is covering the distance and it covers the 2 kilometer in 10 minutes and second body covers the 5 kilometer in 10 minutes, then we will say that second body is faster than the first body because time interval is same, that is 10 minutes, but this body is covering 5 kilometer and this body is covering 2 kilometer. So in this way, by measuring the speed, we can compare the two motions of two bodies, two or more bodies. From the definition, we can derive the formula of speed. Now formula of speed is speed, as we know from the definition, distance traveled in time taken. So in symbolic form, speed will be represented by V, distance by S and time by T. So this is the formula for speed. Now if we talk about the quantity, that which is the quantity, scalar or vector. If we see the formula, distance is a scalar quantity, as we have already discussed the scalar and vector quantities, and time is also a scalar quantity. So speed is also a scalar quantity. Now SI unit of the speed. SI unit, we will derive SI units from the formula. We know formula V is equal to S upon T. Now SI unit of distance, that is S, is meter, and SI unit of time is second. So we can say that SI unit of velocity is meter per second. But if we talk about the CGS system, in CGS system, SI unit of distance is centimeter and unit of time is second. So here in CGS system, units of velocity will be centimeter per second. Now if we discuss about which device is used to measure the speed, we can say speedometer is the device which we use to measure the speed. Now speedometer measures the speed at any instant of time. For example, if a vehicle is covering the long distance but we want to know the speed at any particular moment or at any particular instant, then speedometer will tell us about the speed at that particular moment. For example, we want to know the speed at this moment, this time, then speedometer will tell us about particularly at that time. This type of speed is called instantaneous speed, which we come to know at any particular moment or at any instant of time. So this speed is called instantaneous speed. Next, average speed. Formula of average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total distance divided by total time taken. Because we know speed does not remain constant for a long duration of time. If you observe the speedometer of such car for some time, you will observe that its speed keeps on changing instantaneously. In such situation, it becomes difficult to predict which body moves faster or slower during the entire journey. To solve this problem, we calculate the average speed of the body. So average speed is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled divided by total time taken by the car. SI unit of average speed is same, meter per second. Now come to the uniform speed. Uniform speed is the speed when a body covers equal distance in equal time intervals. Its speed doesn't change in different time. So body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Equal intervals. So that speed is called uniform speed. For example, a body is covering a distance of 40 km. For example, if it covers 10 km in first hour, then in next hour it covers 10 km, then in next hour it covers 10 km, then in last hour also it covers 10 km. So here in equal interval of time, that is 1 hour we have taken here, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. The body is covering 10 km in first hour, same distance is covering in the next hour, and same distance is covering in the next hour, same distance is covering in the next hour. Such type of speed is called uniform speed. Now if we come across the non-uniform speed, it is totally opposite to the uniform speed. Here body covers unequal distance in each given time interval. For example, firstly, unequal distance will be covered by the body in each given interval. For example, in first hour it covers 10 km, in next hour it covers 20 km, and in next hour, here time interval is same, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and in next hour it covers 5 km, we can say. So here distance is different but time interval is same. So here we will use the average speed formula to calculate the entire speed of the body. So this is the basic difference between the uniform speed and non-uniform speed. So these are all the terms which we have discussed today about the speed. In next lecture we will discuss about the velocity. Thank you.